What's up, everybody? I'm about to show you guys how to make some taco dip. That's right, this is Baker's recipe for taco dip. First thing you're gonna need is some ground beef. Some ground beef there. We'll cook that up, and then we're gonna add some Ole E L Pa taco seasoning. And once that's all done, then we're going to add some spicy jalapeno refried beans to the meat and some Taco Bell fire sauce. Then once all that's done cooking, I'm going to take some sour cream and some La Victoria green taco sauce. I usually get the medium, but this is mild, but I use the fire to kick it up. So we add these two together, these two right here, and that goes on top of the meat in the casserole dish, or the cake pan, or whatever you would call that. So we use this for the meat, cook up the meat, mix the meat up. And we use this for the sour cream. And then once all that's done, top it off with cheese and put it in the toaster oven. Alright, let's get started. Alright, so we got the meat cooking. Cooking nicely here. Just add a little bit of water to it. Let that cook. Playing with this new tripod I got here. Makes it way more interesting. It's like having a cameraman, which is just what I needed. Big shout out to the person that got me the tripod. Thank you so much. And you know who you are. Thank you so much for everything you do. Can never thank you enough. It's coming along nicely here. Now I know the person I was just referring to, they don't like it spicy, you know, but I do. So they'll probably frown on this. Challenge accepted. Yeah, let's get some heat going in that meat. There we go. Turn on the vent fan here. I'm in a fifth wheel. It's a 2001 28-foot Keystone, Montana. Got my little magnet wall going. Mount St. Helens, Huntington Beach, I Love Sasha, and then M&M I found. I don't even know why I have it. Anyways, cooking up this taco meat. Let that cook a little bit more. We'll strain it. Alright, now we're gonna add the taco seasoning to the meat. Mix this up. Add the heat source again. Add the heat source. External. I'm gonna add the spicy jalapeno refried beans. Boom. Just like cranberry sauce. Cook all that together. Get it all mixed up real good. Working up a sweat here. Alright. That's the meat filling done, pretty much. Let's heat that up a little bit. See that? Zoom in on it. Look at that beanie meaty goodness. Alright, that's good. Alright. Now we're going to do the sour cream topping. Bam! Well, bam! Been really good for sit back watching YouTube or Netflix or whatever you're sitting back doing. They're playing the Elder Scrolls or whatever. Whew. I'm going to add in the La Victoria mild. Like I said, I usually add the medium. There we go. Get it all in there. Mix that together. Every time I make this, first time I made it, it came out kind of soupy, right? And it does. If you make it this way, the way I'm making it, it will come out a little soupy. But the key is, after it's done cooking, let it cool off for a little bit, then throw it in the refrigerator, because this sour cream mixture, it likes to set up in the refrigerator after it cooks. Something I've learned from making this. One of my favorites right here. Alright. We got that all mixed up. I'll get back here and mess with this so it doesn't time out on me. There we go. Put your meat mixture in there. Boom. Boom. It's done. Now, show you what the bean meat mixture looks like. Ooh-wee. That looks tasty. We're going to add in the sour cream. Leave room for cheese. Yeah. Dish is topped off with cheese. You know, I was seeing a nutritionist a while back, and she actually told me that this is actually pretty good for you. It's got carbs, proteins. I was like, what? I didn't believe her at first. I was like, what? You telling me taco dip is good for me? I've been eating it ever since. Alright. See if I can get the rest of this in there. I don't know. Yes, we can. Yes, we can. Now, you know, it's not a dip. If it's not a dip, you know, it's got to have some kind of sauciness to it, you know. There's that. Now we're going to add the cheese in. Almost done, man. Now we just got to bake it. Bake this at 350 degrees for 30 minutes. I washed my hands before I cook. Just to let you guys know. Always wash your hands before handling food. Or wear gloves. You know. Bam! Taco dip is done, man. Now we just gotta bake it. 3 things that I gotta have living in my RV. Right there's 2 of them. Toaster oven and a coffee maker. 2 musts. And then the other one, for me, because I love pot roast, would be one of these. You know, crock pot. Those are the only 3 items I own: is a toaster oven, crock pot, and a coffee maker. But best believe one of those goes down, I'm buying a new one immediately. Alright, let's get this in the oven here. There we go. Dishes out of here. Oh yeah, one last thing. If I have any, I might not have any. I don't. You're supposed to cover it with tin foil so the cheese doesn't burn, but sometimes you gotta do it with what you gotta do. Touch the element there a little bit. You guys got a little burn on me there. Whew. But that's it. I'll come back when it's done. And voila! Taco dip is done. Kind of burned a little bit on the top a little bit. It's not burned, it's just a little overcooked on the cheese, but everything inside's good.
It's a little crispy.
It's a little crispy. But
it'll be good.
It will be excellent. So what you do is you just cut a little square out of this right here. Scoop that out, put it in a bowl, and then get some tortilla chips and dip it in.
Or whatever kind of chips you want.
Yeah. And that's it. Taco dip is done.